worth? Was it worth doing the test?
Okay, yeah, it was worth it. Totally worth it.
Alright. So with this session, what specifically would you want to know? Like your personality, or you specifically want to know what kind of career are you looking for? What exactly are you looking for?
So firstly, I'm very well aware about my personality because I keep a track of myself, like where I'm going and what are my strengths and skills and everything. So I was pretty sure like what kind of results I'm gonna get after the personality test.
Okay.
But I'm like most interested in I think like what kind of career I can go for. Like I'm sure like where I want to go for, but I also would like to know your perspective on it.
Alright. So in this particular session, we'll be talking about your behavioral traits. Okay. Like what is your strengths and what are your weaknesses. Okay. Do you have a book and a pen in front of you?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So write 4 things that you feel that these are your strengths, and write 4 things which you think are your weaknesses. Right.
Okay. Yeah, I have wrote down, but yeah, let's see how we can discuss on it.
Alright. Tell me, which are your strengths? What do you think your strengths are?
So
In terms of
firstly, I
career,
feel like
alright?
I have a good.
In terms of career,
Sorry.
alright? In terms of career.
Yeah, yeah. In terms of career itself.
Tell me.
So firstly, I have written it's good communication skills,
Okay.
and second one I wrote is management,
Okay.
and third is like open for a change,
Okay.
and also visionary.
Right. Alright. So now we'll bifurcate this into different more strengths of yours. Okay. First note, leadership skills.
Yeah.
Okay. When you said management and communication, okay, this
Okay.
can help you become a leader. Okay. When you know you can manage things and your communication is good, you can become a good leader. Alright. So your leadership skills, whenever you are working on, under somebody, you will always have this stress that, I am being ordered, I am being advised, I am being asked to do something. Okay. But that will help you become a very good leader tomorrow, because you will know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Alright.
Yes,
So your
100%.
very first strength is leadership quality. So you will thrive when you will become a manager. Okay. Till you are
Okay.
till you are under somebody on an executive assistant level, you will always have that slight thing, that I can't take orders. Okay. But that is for your learning purpose. Learning purpose. All right. Second is
Yes.
strategic thinking.
Okay.
When you said you are a visionary,
Hmm.
okay, here comes your strategic thinking. Thinking as in, today you will think of what would you be doing when you become a manager. Right. You will always have plans. This manager does not have leadership qualities. When I become a manager, I would do this. Right. So start journaling yourself. Okay. Write
Okay.
strategic thinking, and in brackets write journal.
Okay.
Journaling what to journal? When I will have my team, I will take what kind of meetings, what will I talk, how will I train. Okay. If I have to build my communication with different types of people, right, you will not have same kind of people in your, so your communication skill would improvise when you understand what is personality development. Okay. So in your communication skill, where you've written that you are good at communicating something, there write learn, into brackets, right, learn
Hmm.
verbal communication and body language.
Hmm. Body language.
Body language. Okay. In a detailed session,
Yeah.
like your next session or your detailed session, where we'll be talking about how to groom, how to learn, what is the next step, that time we'll discuss all this. Okay. All your brackets.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Third is efficiency and productivity.
Hmm.
Right. Third point. Okay. Efficiency and productivity means you will never like something happening spontaneous. You will like
Hmm.
when things are planned, structured.
Hmm.
Okay. When you know what to do next. When you have a structured steps, 5 steps, I know. First step, second step, third step, I know the goal, I will achieve it. Okay. Spontaneous plans, like, we'll have some discussion someday. Okay. Or you have a very 5 minutes meeting. Okay. Just collate all your information and we'll have a session in 5 minutes. You will never like that. Okay. Because you
Yes.
need time to prepare, you need time where you can structure your speech, where you can structure your meeting, where you have full day ka to do list. If someone gives you, Bridge, 10 things to be done today, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, you will give them 15. Okay. But if your manager will come to you suddenly and he'll tell you, get ready for a presentation or get ready for something which is very spontaneous, you will go mad. Right?
Yeah.
Right? So your strength is, some people are very spontaneous. They would not want something which is planned. अरे 10 दिन के बाद मीटिंग करना है, presentation बनाना है, so they will start preparing a presentation on 8th day. 9th day they will prepare. You will not do that. The moment you'll understand 10 दिन के बाद presentation बुलाना है, you will start right now. Right? Because you want it very perfect. Right? So that is your strength. Okay, you will like everything structured, so you will make sure when a opportunity or a project will be given to you, you will know, acha 10 steps mein we can cover this. Okay, and it will be easy for you to guide your team members also. Okay, train your team members कि हम लोग को ये प्रोजेक्ट मिला है, 10 चीज़ें हैं, ये तू संभाल, ये तू संभाल, ये तू संभाल, ये तू संभाल, बाकी का मैं संभाल. Right? So you've written effective and productivity, efficiency and productivity. Fourth is confidence.
Yeah.
Okay, confidence is when you know that your steps are ready. Okay, anybody who comes and criticizes you that तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा या फिर you won't be able to do this, you will not bother. Okay, when the things are planned. But when things are not planned, your confidence is the very first thing which should fall. Okay,
Yes.
so when you have adequate amount of time and you are ready, no one can shake your confidence. Okay, so the moment there are chances where people would ask you to give a presentation or head a team or anything to do with leadership skills, okay, even if there is something inside you which is saying the heartbeat is fast or you're thinking too fast, still you will control yourself and you'll be able to do it because you're very confident. Okay, your birth date was what was your birth date, Bridge?
27/1/1998.
1998. 9 1 2 8 10 9 1, right? Okay, your birth date also talks. You have 1 as your destiny number and 1 is sun. Okay, so you will always be ready for leadership roles. Okay, sun is the head of all the planetary system. Okay, the more people will trust you, the more you would do the right stuff. Okay, and coming to 9, you will always be grounded. Okay, number 9s are very humble people, humanitarians. Okay, so you will always look after your team first and then yourself. Okay, you'll be able to understand every team member of yours. It's not that I'm the manager, ये मेरा नेचर है, तुम लोग अपने आप को एडजस्ट कर लो. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, यू विल ऑलवेज हैव दिस थिंग कि आई एम द मैनेजर, सो आई हैव टू टेक अप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर एवरीबडी. Okay, so you'll sit with everybody, understand everyone's sensitivity level, their knowledge, their smart skills, and then you will delegate stuff. Okay, so number 9 and number 1 is going to give you a very good future where you will get management as your role. Okay, so for now, like, how many years are you working?
It's been like 1.5 years now.
1.5. So this was your learning age. Okay, so I guess 1 or 2 more. What's your age right now? 20?
6.
26. 2 more years. Okay, 28 is the year for number 1 people. Okay, and 36 is the year for number 9s. Alright, so you'll have major changes when you will complete your 28. Okay, so yeah, so 28 is the year when you will whatever you have planned for yourself, you will achieve it. Alright, so you have 2 years now. You are a very good planner. You know how to manage stuff. Okay, create a goal for 2 years where you are 3 months में ये अचीव करना है, 3 months में ये अचीव करना है, ऐसा करके 2 years में I have to be at one position where I am the leader. Okay, before that you might not get it. Okay, so don't feel bad about I am working under somebody. Okay, these people are only ordering me. That is your learning stage and that is required so that you become a very good leader, right? So take it in that perspective that wherever I am, in under whoever I am, okay, tomorrow you will be their father. Number 1 is father number. Okay, so whoever is teaching you today, tomorrow they'll be learning from you. अरे तो छोटा था मेरे से मेरे ऊपर चला गया. Okay, so you will learn so that you can teach people. You have that learning quality. So people learn for themselves. You will learn so that you can teach. Okay, so today you're doing counseling. Okay, probably tomorrow you'll become a very good coach in whatever stream you like. Okay, so with the help of a counselor, plan for something that you can do in next 2 years. Okay, 3 months ka planner where you are achieving small bit and after 2 years you are there where you wanted to be. Alright. Okay, next is visionary outlook. You specified it in yourself, right? So what is visionary? Visionary is someone who is very focused. Okay, So if you are planning something today कि 10 दिन के बाद ये चीज़ करना है, your discipline is so good. Also your number one, your son, it pushes you to be disciplined. सुबह 6 बजे उठना है, you will wake up. 4 बजे उठना है, you will wake up. Your body helps, your brain helps. Okay, so everything is aligned in yourself. So make use of it. If you meditate, number 9s need meditation. Okay, if you meditate, it will help you with your vision in future. Like, अरे यार 2 साल के बाद मैं क्या करूँगा, I don't know, just sit calm, quiet, go inside, learn what is meditation. Write in the brackets meditation. Where you write visionary as your fifth point, write meditation. When two people are talking, okay, your seniors, when two people are talking, you will be able to notice a lot of opportunities which these people just skipped while talking. Okay, that is your visionary. Okay, these people might not even understand that अरे बोलते बोलते में they skipped the solution. अरे solution ही तुम लोग बात ही solution का कर रहे हो, but you are not able to logicize it. Okay, so you will have that thing, but when will you use it? When you will come to that manager position. Okay, till then you can only advise them. सर आपके डिस्कशन में ना दिस इज व्हाट यू ऑल वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट, आई अंडरस्टूड, इफ यू ऑल वांट टेक माय एडवाइस. Okay, so when you are communicating with your seniors, your communication skills, you know, professional skill, your verbal skill, like when you are writing an email, okay, this is where you need to work on vocabulary. Okay, you have 2 years, right? So improvise on your English, improvise on adding vocab, like professional vocab in your, you know, dictionary when you're talking. Okay, these will help. Okay, when you become a manager, when your subordinate is looking at you like, wow, his language is like top notch. Okay, or when you are a junior and you're writing an email, okay, damn, this guy has got a very good verbal communication, है ना? That can become a point यार जिसको manager बनाना चाहिए, right? Okay, next, 6th, effective communication. Every second you will have a new idea. Okay, so communicating that idea to anybody, be it an emotional idea, be it a creative idea, be it a technical idea, whatever kind of idea, okay, you can communicate it right with the right language. Okay, so improvise on your communication skills when it comes to emotional intelligence. Okay, why am I saying this is, now I told you you are a father figure kind of a person. Okay, and father figures are always strict. Okay, and if you have a soft hearted sensitive person in your team, okay, you won't be able to handle their emotions. Okay, for few people salary is something which is of highest priority. Okay, मेरे को कुत्ते जैसा ट्रीट कर चलेगा, सैलरी अच्छा दे रहा है, आई एम ओके. ओके, सम पीपल विल रिस्पेक्ट से बात कर, सैलरी तो वैसे भी मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, राइट? सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू 2 different personalities, your emotional intelligence has to be like your game point. Okay, किसको इमोशनली लेना है, किसको स्ट्रिक्ट लेना है, किसको मैनिपुलेटिवली लेना है, यू विल नो दैट, बट लर्न हाउ टू डू इट. ओके, लर्निंग व्हाट इज इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, कम्युनिकेशन के आगे इन ब्रैकेट्स इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, राइट? लिखा. 7th इज रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड. रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड इज कुछ भी करो काम होना चाहिए. Okay, you will have 10 people in your team, you would know those 4 people who can do the work right, before time, and in an accurate manner. Okay, so you will at that moment you will focus on those 4 people. Okay, but the rest 6 people should not feel left over. Okay, ठीक है? तो result oriented being, you will always have goals. Okay, goals as in आज के दिन का goal, एक हफ्ते का goal, 3 months का plan, yearly plan, you will always have that. Okay, if I'll teach you vision board, you will have 2 years ka plan also. Okay, you know what is vision board?
Sorry?
You know what is vision board?
Vision board?
You don't know.
No, you can.
Vision board is, now you are visionary, right? It's all in your head. Okay, vision board is writing that everything and then creating a board so that you can see that thing constantly and manifest that. Okay, so that you are not forgetting, अरे 2 साल पहले तो ये गोल था मेरा, अभी 1 साल पहले दूसरा गोल होगा, right? It will not happen in your case, it will be there, but it will create a hodgepodge in your head if it is not there in front of you, right? If you have 4 things in your head, यार 10 साल में मेरे को घर लेना है, 4 साल में मेरे को गाड़ी लेना है, 2 साल में मेरे को मैनेजर लेवल पे आना है, okay? If it is not there in front of you, you might forget, right? There comes vision board. So when you are result oriented, always have a vision board. It can be small. Probably अभी जारो का example I can give you. जारो में JPL था, IJP था, promotions था, JPL था, मतलब जारो प्रीमियर लीग, IJP था कि तुम लोग को प्रमोशन चाहिए तो इतना इतना कंप्लीट करो, है ना? स्टार ऑफ द मंथ था, है ना? तो ऑन योर बोर्ड, तेरे सिस्टम के पीछे when there is a board, and if you create a vision board for yourself, monthly this is my target, okay? For IJP 3 months का this is my target, okay? If you create that vision board, it becomes 10 times easier for you to achieve those goals, okay? For example, you call up 10 people, okay? If you just take a post-it, small post-it, you know, right? Sticky note, and if you write two people, you write 2 people's name जिसके साथ में तेरा बहुत अच्छा conversation हुआ, okay? And you stick those 2 names in front of you, okay? It will be a constant reminder, अरे इसका application रह गया, अरे इसका ये वाला query रह गया, अरे you will solve that constant. You will not think of those 8 people, only those 2 people will be your focus. You tell me, you will convert them or not?
Yes, 100%.
है ना? So that is vision board. When you focus on 2 things but the right things, and not, you know, mud your brain with those 10 unnecessary people, okay? So that is the same with your goals also. गाड़ी लेना है, मैनेजर बनना है, घर लेना है, whatever, okay? If it is there in front of you, it becomes 10 times easier. All right? So what was your last thing?
Result oriented.
Result oriented. You are result oriented. Into brackets, write learn vision board.
Okay.
Okay? Now next page, write your weaknesses. 4 5 weaknesses. What? How many did you write?
I have written 2 as of now.
It's okay.
Because the thing is that I rarely focus on my weakness. I make sure that whatever strengths I have, I work on it. So I mostly don't look into my weaknesses. I just avoid
That
them.
is also
I just accept it and I just.
okay. I'll tell you.
So.
We will discuss
Okay.
that. Okay. So which ones have you written?
So I think for a longer run, if I see, so I should start reading some books which will be helping me out to get some good insights of many things. So I'm not at reading books and everything as of now. So I think I should
That's
go
not
for
your
it.
weakness. I'm talking about your nature. So that is something you can imbibe. That can become a habit. That's not a
Okay.
weakness.
So second thing is that I rarely stick to my deadlines that I give to myself. Right?
Okay.
Most of the times I left that deadline.
It's
I
okay.
don't come up to my deadline. That's it.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So you feel procrastination is somewhere there because you do not forget, do not finish things on time. Okay. So you do not procrastinate.
most of
You
the
are
time.
not a person who would do things at the last moment. But because you are too perfectionist, सब एकदम perfect होना चाहिए. इसके लिए you need a lot of time. Okay. That is one. When you understand vision board, okay, you will do things before time.
Okay.
Okay, so when you
Got
learn
it.
vision board, it'll be easier for you to achieve things before time. Okay, so we'll also understand what is to-do list, how to stick to your to-do list, how to create reminders so that you don't forget things. Okay, because there are a lot of distractions, right? So you tend to forget, अरे friend के साथ चले गए, मेरे को ये काम करना था, right? So we'll do
See,
that.
that happens. That happens because there are certain things lined up that I have to adjust myself with my to-do list and whatever I have kept my deadlines to.
Right,
So I don't come to my deadline. That's it.
right, fine. So write point number 1 on your weakness:
Mhm.
bluntness.
Sorry.
Bluntness.
Okay.
January born, right?
Hmm.
You're not Capricorn. What's your sun sign? Aquarius.
I don't
I'll,
have
I'll
any
let you
idea.
know. I'll let you know. Okay. So bluntness is talking straight. Okay, talking straight on somebody's face. नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है यार. क्या पहन कर आया? Okay. What is wrong with your hairstyle? Okay. लगा कितनी गंदी सी handwriting है तेरी. Okay. This is blunt talk. Honest talk, but this is blunt talk. This might hurt someone's sentiments. Okay. So bluntness is good when it comes to being a leader. Okay, but communicating it in a little softer way can be a possibility. Okay, that comes in your communication skill. So the moment you'll become blunt, you will lose 4 people in your team, at least for that day. विष्णु सीधे सीधे कैसे मुंह पे बोल दिया, right? So being blunt is good, उससे काम जल्दी होता है. Okay, but if you'll understand
Yes.
how to smoothen your words a little bit, it will help you. There are two types of fathers. Father who is very strict, he will not talk, he will only focus on discipline क्योंकि काम होना चाहिए. Okay, in that process he'll lose your son, right? The son would be very well mannered in front of you, but तेरे पीछे क्या कर रहा है, right? There's another father who knows how to get the work done smoother way, right? That is what comes in your communication. You said you can communicate well, मतलब मेरे को जो बोलना है मैं मुंह पे बोल देता हूँ. Okay, but you'll have to understand when you're talking to different kinds of people, you have to manipulate your words. Okay, so write bluntness and write communication skills उसके बाजू में brackets में.
Okay.
Point 2, impatience. काम नहीं हो रहा है, 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 क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, है ना? इम्पेशेंस कि मैंने सोचा था 2 दिन में हो जाएगा, हो नहीं रहा है. आई थॉट दिस वुड बी लाइक अ 2 आवर थिंग. एक प्रेजेंटेशन तो बनाना था, 2 घंटे में होना चाहिए था, क्यों नहीं हो रहा, 2 ही स्लाइड हो रहा है. ओके, या फिर वाई एम आई नॉट एबल टू थिंक फास्ट. नाउ व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग योर वीकनेसेस यू कुड राइट ओनली 2, है ना? तो हुआ होगा ना, अरे यार इतने देर से मैं सोच रहा हूँ, दो ही याद आ रहा है, फट से याद क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, याद क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. पॉइंट दैट इज इम्पेशेंस. Okay, now why is that? One, you are born on sun. Second, you are born on number 9. Number 9s are very aggressive people. Okay, जल्दी 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 चाहिए सब कुछ. All right. On top of that, your personality altogether says that your impatience comes from goal oriented stuff. मतलब 10 दिन के बाद का जो goal है ना वो तेरे को दिख रहा है, process नहीं दिख रहा है, तो you'll get impatient कि यार मेरे को 3 step दिख गया, बाकी के 7 steps में कहाँ से निकालूँ. Okay, you'll get impatient. All right. So impatience drives you, lose your emotions. If you start feeling overwhelmed about it कि यार हो ही नहीं रहा है, your intelligence level will drop down. Emotions go high, intelligence come down.
Yeah, 100%.
है ना?
It happens actually.
We don't think, we stop thinking. The moment we feel यार अब तो मेरा गला चोक हो रहा है, okay, मेरा माइंड भी ब्लॉक हो जाएगा, है ना? What to talk, how to talk, मेरा emotions खराब हो रहा है तो मेरा ये चला जाएगा, right? So don't get impatient. If you feel कि in some times, in some places, in front of few people, you try to feel very impatient or overwhelmed, इसको तो मैं मार दूंगा वाला फीलिंग आता है ना, तब मेडिटेशन करो, ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज करो. ओके, spur of the moment, if you lose yourself, you will lose your identity, you will lose a lot of stuff. Okay,
100%.
okay, so impatience is your weakness, you have to work on it. All right, anything that you think कि मेरे impatience को I can control, how can I control? चुप तो तुम बैठ नहीं सकते, दिख रहा है सामने गलत हो रहा है, चुप तो तुम बैठ नहीं सकते. So there should be alternatives for that, right? So when you complete this session today, okay, you will hashtag लगा दो वहाँ पे, Google on how to not be impatient. Okay, tomorrow when you'll become a manager, okay, you will get very irritated of people who are working very slow. Okay, नहीं ही मतलब देखा नहीं जाएगा कि अरे यार ये क्यों ऐसा रेंग रहा है इंसान. ओके. Okay, but there'll be a lot of other qualities which you can improvise in that person. Okay, जैसे people who are very lazy, okay, people who are very slow, people who are more thinking than practical, they are very creative. Okay, so you should know how to use some people's qualities. Okay, fast काम इसको दे दिया ना, ये खराब कर देगा. Okay, when you want to get things faster, you have to delegate it to somebody else. Delegation is also your problem. Okay, I'll come to that. Delegating right things to the right people will come to you when you will understand people's qualities. Okay, people who are slow, they are very good with their imagination. Okay, तो दो चीज बोलेगा ना, पहले टॉपिक पे वो लोग कहीं और पहुंच जाएंगे दिमाग में, सेकंड टॉपिक सुनेंगे ही नहीं. Alright, so these kind of people are very creative. You give them presentation, एकदम चकाचक presentation बना के मिलेगा देखो. Present वो नहीं करेंगे, समझा? Present करने के लिए कोई और को तेरे को delegate करना पड़ेगा, right? So you will have problem with intoleration for inefficiency. Okay, और वो हर किसी में होता है, right? You are good at pulling stuff faster. Okay, लेकिन if I tell you get a little slow, तू नहीं कर पाएगा. Okay, think very creatively, मतलब एकदम कलर कोऑर्डिनेशन से लेके यू नो फ्लोरल लेके ऐसा कुछ मैं देखो इमेजिन करने बोलूँ तो इमेजिन नहीं कर पाएगा, राइट? बट हाँ, बट जो चीज़ फास्ट होती है ना, जैसे 4 स्टेप में आई कैन कंप्लीट दिस, यू वांट इट टू बी डन इन 10 स्टेप्स, आई कैन डू इट इन 5 स्टेप्स. Okay, that is where your brain would be much faster than mine also. All right, so you have to understand when you have 4 or 5 people in your team. Okay, this person is creative, not to give them something else, let them do creative stuff, let them be at their pace. Okay, this person is very fast, let's not give them creative stuff because they'll spoil it. Okay, so for you when you are planning your next 2 years, I'm telling you 28 is your year, when you are planning these 2 years, understand different personalities. तेरे टीम में ही है सारे जो अभी काम कर रहे हैं, right? Tomorrow you have to head these kind of personalities, so take this 2 years to learn. अच्छा तू ऐसे काम करता है, अच्छा तू ऐसे काम करता है. Okay, some people will show that you know they don't care about stuff. मैं तो ऐसे ही आता हूँ ऑफिस मुँह उठा के. Okay, they do care. What do they care? What will motivate them to you know come to office? Understand their background. Okay, start understanding different personalities so that tomorrow when you become a manager it will be very easy for you. Okay, अभी से चिड़चिड़ जो होता है ना वो कम कर. Intolerance जो है ना उसको डाइवर्ट कर. Okay, थर्ड इज ओवरलुकिंग पर्सनल फीलिंग्स. Okay, ओवरलुकिंग पर्सनल फीलिंग इज प्रायोरिटाइजिंग योर डिसीजन. मैंने डिसीजन ले लिया है ना, तो अब मेरे को बुरा लगे, मेरे को हर्ट हो, मैं डिप्रेशन में जा रहा हूँ, इट्स ऑल राइट, मेरे को ये कंप्लीट करना ही है, राइट? विच इज रॉन्ग. थिंग्स दैट आर हैम्परिंग यू, योर मेंटल स्टेट should not be your priority ever. That will not spoil that one project, that will spoil a lot of things around, related, not related, whatever, it will spoil things. So if your emotions are right, okay, when your feelings are right, okay, when you're not feeling overwhelmed, everything will be sorted, right? So don't overlook your personal feelings. So how do you come to know what is your personal feeling? आधे लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं रहता कि हम फील ही क्या कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम इतना फास्ट चल रहे हैं ना, कुछ फीलिंग्स आई, हर्ट करके निकल भी गए, हमने पता भी नहीं करा. ओके, वो बार बार हर्ट कर रही है, समझ नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, दैट विल टॉक इन योर इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. ओके, डू नॉट ओवरलुक योर फीलिंग्स इन द फास्ट पेस ऑफ योर लाइफ. बहुत फास्ट काम कर रहे हो ना, तो तुम अपने ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दो. ओके, सो यू गो टू जिम, you are looking after your physique, you are looking after your looks, you are looking after your image. Okay, but if you don't look after your heart, rest everything will suck. All right, there should be something which is giving you a lot of relief. कुछ लोगों को गाना 2 घंटे गाना गाते हैं वो लोग बाथरूम में, तो बाथरूम में, but that is giving them peace, right? Some people will just look for those best friends जिनके साथ में 2 घंटे बात करके आएंगे, chillax. Okay, you don't isolate yourself so that you are not you know killing or ignoring your feelings. All right, that will talk in emotional intelligence. All right, वहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में लिख दे emotional intelligence. Fifth is dominance. मैंने बोला ना तो कर देना, समझा? I am the manager here, और या फिर I am the son here, और I am the authoritative figure here. Don't let that come. Okay, you will always be on the higher level. People know you are on the higher level. The more you will sound down to earth, the more people will respect you. Okay, you can advise people, you know, ये करने से ये चीज़ होगा, ये करने से ये चीज़ होगा, तू देख ले क्या करना. डू नॉट गिव एडवाइसेस और टेल पीपल अरे यही करना चाहिए था तेरे को, तूने नहीं किया, अब तू भी कर. डोंट डू दैट. यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर देयर गुड. ओके. लेकिन अगर कल उनका उल्टा हुआ, तेरे सर पे चढ़ेंगे. तूने बोला था हमको ये करना चाहिए था, हमने किया, हम फंस गए. ओके. डोमिनेंस इज वेयर you are giving out a statement or an advice and you are expecting things to happen exactly like that. Okay, don't do that. एडवाइस देने दोस्त है यार, दिख रहा है कि मतलब यू नो गलत चीज़ें कर रहा है या फिर जो भी कर रहा है उससे उसका नुकसान होगा. ओके. तुमने ठेका नहीं लिया दुनिया में, किसी का तुमने ठेका नहीं लिया. यू विल ओनली डू टू थिंग्स. तो ये करेगा तो ये होगा, ये करेगा तो ये होगा, मेरे हिसाब से. तो देख. Okay, the more you will understand कि okay, I am not supposed to attach with people's problems. Okay, तुम्हारी लाइफ बहुत शॉर्ट हो गई. Okay, do not expect people to do what you are saying. तुम अच्छे के लिए बोल रहे हो, need not be वो अच्छा हो. Okay, इससे तुम्हारा aggression stable रहेगा. Right?
I think this dominance things I'm aware about it because mostly it happens with me. I was not able to put it down on paper, but I think I'm more dominant at sometimes.
Happens.
Yeah, I have to work on it for sure.
I told you, no, you are father figure. Father figures cannot see anything happening to their kids. समझा?
Yeah.
They will always be on the head. And the more you will sit on the head, the more you will lose your son. Okay?
Got it.
Your
Got
team
it.
members, your friends, your relationship. Okay? Give advice, don't expect, nikal jao. Okay? Just tell
Okay.
people there are two options. If you do something, there are two things that will happen. Either this or that. You choose. And you are not expecting them to do anything else. और मेरी एडवाइस तो ली नहीं, इसने इसको अगली बार एडवाइस ही नहीं दूंगा. डोंट डू दैट. पीपल कम टू यू फॉर एडवाइस. दे विल कम टू यू फॉर एडवाइस. दे विल ऑलवेज बी देयर फॉर योर एडवाइस, बट दे माइट नॉट टेक योर एडवाइस. ओके. उनका जो भी सर्कमस्टेंसेज है, जो भी सिचुएशन है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, उनकी वीकनेसेस है, नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. ओके. दे चोज समथिंग एल्स, दे विल रिग्रेट इट और दे विल फेस द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज. तेरा काम सिर्फ एडवाइस देना था. ठीक है. यू कांट सिट ऑन पीपल्स हेड. दैट विल स्ट्रेस यू. राइट. यार इसने मैंने इतने बोलने के बाद भी नहीं करा. Right? That is dominance. Second, difficulty in delegating.
Delegate. Okay.
You know what is delegating?
No, if you can put it out in a better way. I think okay, to understand.
Delegating is आज टीम में 10 काम होना है. ओके. और तेरे लाइफ में 10 चीज तेरे को आज करनी है. ओके. Prioritize 4 things which you have to do. 2 things which your sister can do, 2 things which your friends can do, 2 things your father can do, somebody else can do. You need not put in your energy. Okay. But your problem is what, you know, तुमसे अच्छा मैं ही करूँगा, दे दो, मैं कर देता हूँ. And this will happen not in your life. You will do it for 10 other people also. अरे कैसे करे, मैं कर देता हूँ, छोड़.
Okay.
कैसे करे, मैं कर देती हूँ, छोड़. समझा? Delegating, you will always feel अरे यार किसी और को काम बोलने का, कैसे बोलने का, मैं उनको मतलब अथॉरिटेटिव तो साउंड नहीं कर जाऊँ, है ना. तो इन लोग को बोलने से अच्छा मैं ही कर देता हूँ. 10 काम अगर तू खुद करने बैठेगा 10 घंटा लगेगा. 2-3 काम उधर इधर दे देगा, तेरा 3 घंटा बच जाएगा. राइट. When will you do that? When you will trust people. Okay? अरे तो बहुत स्लो इंसान है यार, इससे क्या ही काम होगा. How will you trust that person? When you will know that person. अरे इसको क्रिएटिव काम दे दूंगा, मेरे को क्रिएटिव नहीं आता, मैं इसको सारे क्रिएटिव काम दे दूंगा, हट जाऊंगा वहाँ से. I will not poke my nose constantly. वो जो करके देख रहा है, trust the person, trust the process, leave it. ठीक है. जो मिल रहा है ना 70% तो करके मिलेगा, उसके ऊपर का 30% you add the way you want. But learn to delegate, learn to let go things. ठीक है. The more you let go, the more work you will do. For example, tomorrow if you want to become an entrepreneur, okay, you can't say मैं फाइनेंस भी करूँगा, मैं ही शटर खोलूँगा, मैं ही झाड़ू मारूँगा, मैं ही अपना सारा पोछा मारूँगा, मैं ही सारा कंटेंट क्रिएट करूँगा, मैं ही मार्केटिंग करूँगा, मैं ही टीचिंग करूँगा. You can't do everything, right? You can do, पर सोच कितना टाइम लगेगा. खुद का अकाउंट बुक्स खुद ही कर रहा है, खुद की क्रिएटिव्स खुद ही बना रहे हैं. समझा? 2-3 लोगों पे ट्रस्ट करके छोड़ दिया ना, ऑफ कोर्स 99% नहीं आएगा, 70% ही आएगा. उसके ऊपर जो चेंजेस करने 30% के वो मैं ऐड कर दूंगा ना. ये 70% का हेडेक तो गया. राइट. सो द मोर यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग पीपल, द मोर यू स्टार्ट ट्रस्टिंग पीपल. ओके. नेक्स्ट 2 years यू हैव टू बिल्ड अ टीम जहाँ पे तेरे को ऐसा लगे ना कि मेरे को मैनेजर का रोल मिला नहीं, इन चारों को मैं उनके कंपनी से खींच के लाऊंगा मेरे साथ में काम करने. राइट. बिकॉज यू नो यू आर जेलिंग विद दिस काइंड ऑफ पीपल. या तो फिर मैं उस कंपनी में मैनेजर बन जाऊंगा जहाँ पे 4 लोग काम करें.
Okay.
Easy for you, right? So learn to delegate. दे दो. देने के लिए you have to take also. मतलब when you are telling people to do this for me, एक तो your communication has to be on a favor side, यार प्लीज मेरे लिए कर दो, ठीक है. और वो जो कर रहे हैं ना उसके अंदर नुक्स नहीं निकालने की, यार मैंने देखो क्या करने बोला तूने क्या करके दे दिया. उन्होंने अपना दिमाग लगाया, उसका 70% क्या है, तुम्हें खुद का दिमाग लगाना, राइट. So that is delegation, to save your time, to improvise your work and to be less stressed. Alright. Next is overlooking details.
Okay. I usually do that.
How does that happen? Because you're too fast in your brain. फट 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 फट.
Okay.
अब जब फटफट करना है तो तुम हेडिंग ही पढ़ोगे, पूरा कंटेंट थोड़ी पढ़ोगे, है ना. You've lost that content or the actual meaning of that heading. अच्छा हेडिंग का ही मतलब ये था, वो भी मैंने पढ़ के गलत समझा. Why? Because you're too fast. Okay. The more you will learn how to get slow, the more your productivity would get better. Okay. Quantity में काम नहीं करना है, quality में थोड़ा काम करना है. Okay. One project done best is way better than 10, underrated projects.
Unfinished project.
Yes. है ना.
Okay.
Okay. So the more you learn delegation, ज़्यादा काम होगा. The more you learn people's personality, delegation easy हो जाएगा. The more you learn communication skill, you will be able to manage right kind of people under you. Okay. चलो अपना strength weakness complete हुआ. Now we'll talk about your emotional intelligence and stress response.
Okay.
You know what is emotional intelligence?
Yeah, like having you aware about what are your emotions and how you can control over it. So if the emotions are not controlling you, you are having a good control of your emotions.
Right.
Is that so?
Right. Right. Emotional intelligence is first knowing what all are your emotions, understanding if your emotions are controlling you or you are controlling the emotions, and whenever required, can you get those emotions in front? Okay. Your emotions are always in your unconscious mind. Okay. Probably you are smiling but internally you are crying. Okay. Or probably you are showing that you are crying but internally you are very happy. Okay. That is smart play. Theater mein we are taught these things. You get onto the stage, you are standing in the wing. Okay. You will not feel anything. You might go blank. The moment you come on stage, your heartbeat will be like, why is it beating so fast? But your face should never show that. Your face will show romance only. Your face will show manipulation only. Your face will show that villain wala, that anger only. अंदर से फट रहा है, लेकिन मैं villain वाला expression कैसे दूंगा, right? Think about Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Okay, he does such great expressions, but अंदर से he is such a down to earth person. जैसे कैमरा ऑन होता होगा उसकी बहुत फटती होगी. Okay, so this is where emotional intelligence plays a very good role. Okay, now your problem. Have you seen fathers crying? Very rare.
No.
Right?
Very rare.
That is your problem.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I think
you
so.
don't want to get vulnerable in front of people. You will never want to cry. You are crying inside, but you will never show it. Okay? You should have few people in your life in front of whom you can literally burst out. Okay? These can be your family members, these can be your friends, these can be anybody. Okay? There are people who right now are giving services कि भाई तुम मेरे को कॉल करो, तुम नहीं जानते हो मेरे को मैं कौन, ठीक है, कॉल करो, रो, बोलो मेरे लाइफ कितनी झंड हुई पड़ी है, सब बोलो. ओके, लेकिन यू माइट नॉट नो हु आई एम, सो यू आर नॉट फीलिंग जज्ड. सामने कौन है आई डोंट नो, बट आई एम सो ओवरवेल्म्ड राइट नाउ दैट आई वांट टू प्यूक दिस आउट. राइट, दिस हैज बिकम अ पेड सर्विस. So many people are attempting suicide because they are not able to vent. Right? If they get some people in their life who are not judging them at all, okay, where they can just go cry. नहीं चाहिए advice, नहीं चाहिए. I just feel like crying, let me cry. Okay? You will not even cry in your bathroom. Okay? You have that kind of an ego. नहीं रोना चाहिए, नहीं रोना चाहिए. Right? So don't do that. Have some people around you. One person. If you have two, you are rich. If you have one person at least, you are good to go. Okay? Have one person around you where you can vent out everything. Where you know कि ये मेरा content कहीं बाहर नहीं जा रहा है. It is going to be confidential, and I can get vulnerable in front of that person. Okay? One. Right. Emotional intelligence. Emotion expression.
Okay.
The more you will kill your emotions, you will not give priority to other people's emotions. Today you are an executive. Tomorrow you'll become a manager. Okay? when you don't give importance to your emotions ना, सामने वाला बंदा बोलेगा सर मेरे को ना कैंसर हो गया, तू बोलेगा मेरे को भी कैंसर है, आजा, बिग डील, कैंसर में भी इंसान काम कर सकता है. Okay, you have lost that employee with that one statement because you did not give importance to that person's emotion. Okay, वो अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम आएगा ना तो एकदम ट्रांजैक्शनल काम करेगा. मैं इसको तो मेरी पढ़ी है ना, मेरे को भी पढ़ी होनी चाहिए, राइट? If you give importance to your emotions, you will give importance to his emotions. Okay? You want to get the job done. Okay? तेरे को दिख रहा है सामने वाला फालतू में छुट्टी ले रहा है. Okay? And that moment, if you want to become a good manager, you will make sure that that person goes today, but tomorrow comes with 100% dedication to it. Losing 1 or 2 days is not a big deal. Losing an employee is a big deal. Losing a friend is a big deal. Losing a relationship is a big deal. Right? So emotional intelligence means the more you give importance to your emotions, you'll start understanding different emotions. Okay? Second is empathy. Empathy is relating to somebody else's situation. You know, you will give less time to whenever people are talking about emotions, तू वहाँ से जगह खाली करेगा. This is too much for me to handle. I am not into this. Got it? Empathetic होना is a very big energy exchange. Okay? सामने वाला रो रहा है, you know, उसके लाइफ में कुछ तो ऊपर नीचे हो गया है, भाई तेरा रोना तो अपने पास रख, मैं नहीं ले सकता, इतना मेमोरी नहीं है मेरे पास. Okay? Don't do that. Listen to people so that you understand कि तेको तेरा emotion कैसे vent करना है. Okay? Everybody have their own ways of venting. Some people cry, some people over laugh. Okay? पता नहीं क्यों हंस रहा है, बस हंसे जा रहा है, अंदर से नर्वस है वो, समझा? And whatever he is talking, he is trying to vent out. उस joke form में ना, he is just venting out. Okay? Let them vent. The more you will understand, अच्छा इस चार तरीके के लोग हैं मेरे पास, 4 तरीके के लोग अलग तरीके से वेंट कर रहे हैं. कुछ लोग दारू पी के वेंट कर रहे हैं. Okay? Because senses में उनसे नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay? So there are ways to vent. Okay? Just get everything out from you. फिर हल्का, है ना? So empathy is listening to people. Not thinking अरे यार ये तो waste of my time है ना? इसका रोना सुनने से अच्छा मैं किधर बैठ के कॉमेडी सुन लूँ, है ना? The more you listen to people, the more you will relate to people. Okay? And that is for your good. You will be able to vent out in one of the forms. तेरे को अभी forms तेरा नहीं पता होगा. मैं रो नहीं सकता, मैं बोलूँ कैसे? मैं दारू नहीं पीता, मैं वेंट करूँ कैसे? मेरे पास दोस्ती नहीं है, मैं वेंट करूँ कैसे? है ना? जब तू 4-5 लोगों को देख लेगा ना, अच्छा ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, अच्छा ये भी कर सकते हैं, कोई ना कोई एक फॉर्म तो तेरे लिए ईजी हो जाएगा. Okay? Third is conflict resolution.
Okay.
So empathy में I would like to add one point. Empathizing, when you are empathizing, okay, to people, see, it's not that you are not listening to anybody. You might listen to some friends of yours, parents of yours, siblings of yours, okay, and you will try to give them logical answers, very practical answer. Okay? At that moment they don't need an answer, they just want somebody to listen to us. Okay? One sentence, I understand, khatam, sorts everything. I understand. You are not understanding anything, still you can only say I understand. You don't have to give them any यार मैं क्या करूँ, मैं मरे जा रहा हूँ. Okay? There'll be a lot of people who will be crying like क्या करूँ, मैं क्या करूँ. You don't have to give them an answer. Only one sentence, I can understand. Okay?
Got it.
Conflict resolution. Third point. Okay? Conflict resolution is there are many kinds of problems and conflicts. Okay? Two people are talking, okay, fighting. One is talking about emotion, other person is talking about logic. Okay? You will have more logic than emotions. Okay? So don't get into conflicts. दो people के झगड़े में मत पड़ना कभी. And when it comes to yours, okay, you know your weaknesses are emotions. Reading emotions, relating to emotions, okay? Don't give your brain answers. Okay? Let that time go. सुन लो सामने वाले का. Let that time go. Okay? The more you listen, you'll understand, okay, she or he does not need an answer, or they will not listen to something which is practical, logical. तुम चार्ट बना के दिखा दो, ये तेरा प्रॉब्लम है, they will not understand at that moment. Okay? So when you are resoluting to a conflict, okay, don't be very blunt about your advices. मैं तो बोला ही था ये करने, तुमने नहीं किया. Okay? मैं तो कितने टाइम से बोल रहा हूँ यही कर लो. इमोशनल बंदा प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ नहीं कर सकता, प्रैक्टिकल बंदा इमोशनल चीज़ें नहीं कर सकता. पॉइंट इज यही तो बेस्ट मैच होता है. एंड देर ऑलवेज फाइटिंग. ओके? देर इज नो फाइट, इट इज जस्ट डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन. ऑलराइट, जस्ट लेट इट गो. तुम्हारा एडवाइस अपने पास रखो, उनका वो लोग सॉर्ट कर लेंगे. दे जस्ट वांट टू वेंट थिंग्स. You want to vent things, they want to
Okay.
vent things, and the problem gets solved.